There's a lot of people out there that just swear by making your own ground beef and ground meats and sausage. I've never actually done it, but I'm all about trying to perfect that backyard barbecue. And burgers, well, that's a huge part of most people's backyard barbecue. If you're interested in possibly getting in the meat grinding game, this is definitely a video you're going to want to check out. Let me introduce you to the Meet Your Maker half horsepower number 8 grinder. I can hear you now. Mike, why the Meet Your Maker grinder? Bearded Butchers works with them. I don't think they jump behind a product unless they really meant it. The company Meet Your Maker specializes in high-quality meat processing equipment, not just grinders. They're known for being durable, high performance, a bit on the commercial side, and easy to clean. They offer everything from meat grinders, vacuum sealers, slicers, sausage stuffers, whatever you want. If it has to do with processing meat, they got you covered. Now don't get scared off by the word commercial. Their products are for the serious home cooks as well as the commercial level. When it comes to a meat grinder, I think the primary things we're looking for is ease of use. How easy is it to put together and disassemble? How reliable is it to put out that consistency that you're looking for? One of the more important factors is how easy is it to clean. First, let's go over some of the specs. It's a half horsepower, which means it can do a lot of meat. More specifically, this half horsepower meat grinder can do about 4 to 5 pounds per minute. Made of all stainless steel and aluminum, weighs about 28 pounds. And to be honest with you, that's pretty much the only negative thing I can say about this thing. It's about 18 inches by 9 inches by 15.5 inches. It comes with 2 grinding plates, one for fine and one for coarse. It comes with sausage stuffing tubes, a meat stomper, as well as a cleaning brush. It's got a warranty for 5 years, and this thing just sings in people's reviews and online testimonials. It has that commercial durability, and it's got that commercial reliability. There's a lot of grinders on the market where you have to run the meat through twice, once to kind of break everything up, and then a second time to get that consistency you're looking for. Now, there are some grinders like this one that do it all in one pass. That's because of its double grinder design. When that auger pushes it out the end, it's ready to turn into a hamburger. One of my biggest concerns was how easy is it to clean up. That's one of the main reasons I've never got into it as of now. However, online reviews and in my experience, this thing is phenomenal as far as cleanup. All the parts and surfaces are easy to get to and clean up easily. Everything's hand threaded, so you don't need any special tools. There's something incredible about running a brisket or a chuck or some kind of large meat through a grinder and creating your own ground meat for burgers or whatever. The cool thing is you can experiment. You can run a little bit of brisket, a little bit of chuck, you put the ribeye steak in there if you want to. It's going to cost you a lot of money, but you can do whatever you'd like to do. You can also add some seasonings, give it a little flavor. It's incredible to have such fresh hamburger. There's no brown spots or oxidized places. There's no preservatives. You almost feel like your ground beef is healthier. And maybe it is. You know what's in your mix. You know which cuts are in your mix. You know about the fat content in the cuts that you used. It's hard to explain, but it's not hard to taste. The burgers I've made using this meat grinder are absolutely phenomenal and some of the best that I've ever had, if not the best. I took a brisket flat and cut the whole thing into chunks and made a legit brisket burger, and it was mind-blowing. So I want to encourage you, don't let the fear of cleaning this thing or any other false fears that you may have hold you back from producing better, more whole, healthier foods. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Please do me a favor, share this video with someone who may be in the meat processing and barbecue. It's a very simple thing to do, and it's the best way you can support the channel. I appreciate you guys watching. I can't wait to see you on the next video.